So some areas get uplifted while some may subside. Tsunamis are generated in ocean. These waves can cause great loss of life and property in the coastal area. Already we know, I can give you example. During the year 1996, the great tsunami was there in ocean in Tamil Nadu, in the Deccan part of our country, Tamil Nadu especially I will mention here. So these waves can cause great loss of life and property in the coastal area. In snow covered area, avalanches may occur. You know, children, what are avalanches? It is a snowstorm, or you can say the landslide in the upper area of hilly area where the mountains are clad with snow. That time, if sudden movement is there inside the mountain, so the big blocks of ice or avalanche, we can say, they come down suddenly or slowly. So it is very dangerous. So avalanches may occur in our country also. In Siachen Glacier or Leh Ladakh, this avalanche is very common. Building collapse and loss of life and property occurs. Transportation routes get disrupted because roads are damaged. Communication system collapses. So these are effects of earthquake. So all these points you are supposed to remember all these points and think about it, that what happened, what are the effects of earthquake. So these we can have examples also. If you search in internet, we can find out various examples. You can take example of Kathmandu, which is the first page of your lesson. So the heavy destruction is there and loss of lives are also there. Now we will see volcanoes. See children, volcano, that means it is sudden eruption of hot molten liquid from inside the earth. Now see here, this slide you can see, back picture you can see hot molten rocks or lava is coming out. Hot solid, liquid and gaseous materials are ejected from the mantle of earth, that means inside the earth, onto the surface of earth. This process is called volcanic eruption. During this process, ash, water vapor, various types of poisonous and inflammable gases, hot molten magma, etc. are thrown out. Suddenly it is thrown out. When the molten magma comes out on the surface, it is called lava. Understood? So volcanoes, it erupts very all of a sudden, and it so many things come out inside the earth, from inside the earth. It can be in the form of molten magma, very inflammable, very hot temperature, and sometimes hot poisonous gases are also emitted. And when the molten magma comes out on the surface, it is called lava. So now we will see on the basis of eruption. On the basis of eruption, volcanoes can be divided into following types. So there are two types of volcano you will study. When you will read your lesson, you can see there are two types of volcano: central type or conical volcano, or fissure type volcanoes. Central type of conical, you have seen cone. You can take example of cone. Cone, the shape of cone, the same shape is created inside the mountain. Mountain, you know the shape of mountain. So when the sudden eruption is there from the volcano or from the mountain, central type of conical volcano, that means uh, if you see the picture, sudden eruption is there from inside mountain. It is in shape of conical shape. जैसे कोन, आइसक्रीम का कोन आप जब पकड़ के खाते हो तो जैसे कोन का शेप रहता है, वैसे माउंटेन के शेप में माउंटेन होता है, उसके बीच में से, माउंटेन के बीच में से सडन इरप्शन होता है और बहुत जोर से मोल्टन मैग्मा और लावा, गरम गरम लावा वहाँ से इरप्ट होते हैं. फिशर टाइप वॉल्केनो, ये क्रैक्स होता है, माउंटेन में ढेर सारे क्रैक्स होते हैं और उसमें से मोल्टन मैग्मा धीरे धीरे उसमें निकल के उसमें उसमें जम जाते हैं, आसपास जमा हो जाते हैं. नाउ if you'll see the definition of central type of conical volcano, see here, the lava spreads around the mouth of this vent. Vent means long pipe. When it comes out, as a result, cone shaped mountains start forming and conical volcanic mountains are formed. So sudden eruption is there from inside mountain, and inside mountain a pipe jaisa hota hai, vent, and it comes out suddenly, and as a result conical shaped mountains start forming. So it takes the formation of cone and conical volcanic mountains are formed. Now fissure type volcano, during eruption when magma comes out, not from a single vent but from many cracks, fissures. Fissure means cracks. This is called fissure type volcanic eruption. The molten material, the molten material comes out with the eruption, spreads on both sides of fissure. As a result, volcanic plateaus are formed. The Deccan Plateau of India also has been formed due to such type of volcanic